Imagine this, you're taking photos, saving documents, or uploading videos every day. But where does all this data actually go? Ever wondered how big companies like Netflix or Pinterest handle endless streams of data without running out of space? There's a powerful AWS service that quietly works behind the scenes, managing data at a scale you wouldn't believe. This service is called Amazon S3. You may have heard of it, but what exactly does it do? Amazon S3, which stands for Simple Storage Service, is like having an enormous, never-ending storage room in the cloud. It's where companies store their data, files, photos, videos, backups, you name it. Think of it as a giant, super-organized digital warehouse where you can keep all your data safe, accessible, and ready whenever you need it. And the best part? You only pay for the space you use. Managing storage can be a nightmare, with constant worries about running out of space, losing data, or dealing with security breaches. But Amazon S3 handles all that for you. It automatically takes care of scaling, data protection, and even ensures that your data is replicated across multiple locations, so it's always available. Whether you're storing just a few files or running a global media empire, S3 keeps your data safe, secure, and always at your fingertips. I hope you now have a better understanding of Amazon S3. If you liked this explanation, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into powerful AWS services.